Hey everyone! Welcome back to Nara Creations. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most exciting questions for YouTubers and content creators. How much money does MrBeast make from YouTube ad revenue? If you don't know who MrBeast is, you might just be living in another universe. Milky Way. He's not just a successful content creator, he's a pro in the YouTube game. Known for his insane generosity, mind-blowing challenges, and epic videos, he's a true inspiration to millions of creators worldwide. But here's the thing, this video isn't about numbers for the sake of numbers, it's about motivation. Seeing what's possible on YouTube can ignite your journey and fuel your dreams. To find out how much MrBeast makes, we'll use a tool called Social Blade. If you've never heard of it, Social Blade is a powerful platform that tracks YouTube stats and earnings estimates for any creator. It's not 100% accurate, but it gives us a pretty good idea. Let's search for MrBeast's channel and break it down. Here are MrBeast's numbers for the last month: total video views, 3.236 billion, estimated monthly ad revenue, $12.9 million, that's insane, right? But let's break it down a bit further to understand how this works. You see, YouTube ad revenue isn't just a random number. It's calculated based on something called CPM, cost per mille, which means how much advertisers pay per thousand views. The CPM can vary based on the type of content, the audience, and the country they're watching from. For a channel like MrBeast's, with a global audience and high engagement, his CPM is likely on the higher side. Combine that with billions of views each month, and you get a jaw-dropping income. Now, let's put this into perspective. A small channel with 10,000 monthly views might earn anywhere from $20 to $50. MrBeast, with billions of views, is playing in an entirely different league. But here's the takeaway: MrBeast didn't start here. He began like every one of us, with 0 subscribers, a big dream, and a lot of hard work. His success proves that if you stay consistent, keep creating, and improve with each video, anything is possible. So don't just watch his numbers and feel overwhelmed, use them as fuel to keep pushing your own channel forward. That's it for today's video. What do you think about MrBeast's insane earnings? Does it motivate you to keep going on your own YouTube journey? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget, like this video if you found it inspiring. Subscribe to my channel for more insights into content creation and success. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching, and remember, your dreams are achievable. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.